Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of National German Chocolate Cake Day, celebrated on June 11th. Join us as we uncover the origin story, explore the delectable flavors, and discover the secrets behind this beloved dessert. National German Chocolate Cake Day celebrates a classic American dessert that carries the name German but has no direct connection to Germany. The cake's story begins with Sam German, an American chocolatier who developed a type of dark baking chocolate. In the 1950s, a recipe using German's chocolate was published in a national newspaper and it gained popularity across the country. Over time, the cake became known as the German chocolate cake, paying homage to the chocolatier behind its key ingredient. Today, it has earned its place on dessert tables and remains a cherished treat enjoyed by many. German chocolate cake is a delightful symphony of flavors. Moist chocolate layers are paired with a velvety coconut pecan frosting, creating a perfect balance of sweetness and texture. While the classic recipe is beloved, there are also variations and modern twists on this timeless dessert. Some bakers add extra chocolate ganache layers or incorporate different types of nuts for added crunch. Others experiment with unique fillings such as caramel or fruit compote. These variations show the endless possibilities for indulgence and ensure that there is a German chocolate cake to suit every taste. Unlocking the secrets to baking a perfect German chocolate cake is like embarking on a delicious adventure. One key tip is to properly measure and combine the ingredients, ensuring the right balance of flavors and textures. It's also important to bake the layers until they are moist and springy to the touch, but not overcooked. When it comes to the coconut pecan frosting, gently toasting the coconut and pecans before incorporating them adds a delightful depth of flavor. These tips, along with a careful attention to the baking process, will help you create a German chocolate cake that is moist, flavorful, and absolutely scrumptious. National German Chocolate Cake Day is the perfect occasion to celebrate this delectable dessert. Whether you choose to bake your own cake or visit a local bakery, gathering with loved ones to enjoy a slice of German chocolate cake is a delightful way to commemorate the day. Share your creations or favorite cake memories on social media using the hashtag German Chocolate Cake Day and join the nationwide celebration of this iconic dessert. As we celebrate National German Chocolate Cake Day on June 11th, let's honor the rich history, delightful flavors, and joy that this cake brings into our lives. The story of German chocolate cake reminds us that culinary traditions can evolve and capture the hearts of generations. So, grab a fork, indulge in a slice of this decadent treat, and join us in raising a glass to the deliciousness of National German Chocolate Cake Day. Remember to subscribe to Behind the Date for more delightful episodes as we uncover intriguing stories behind each special day. Happy National German Chocolate Cake Day!